Good afternoon, class. This project that I am presenting today is part of my requirement for the course that I've just completed on mobile app development. It was conducted at eTech training, and our tutor was Miss Merle Whitney. Now, we learned a lot of things during this course, and it has been a very busy time for me as well. So I have not been able to complete the entire project. But what I have done is I have started, and I'm going to present what I've started, and a lot of the work actually I will be able to do afterwards because I really intend for this project to be an app that will actually go live and will be used for an intended audience. This was created, it's called Welcome to ALA Connect. This ALA Connect, ALA represents Abundant Life Assembly, and that is the church which I attend. And we have a need at that church for persons to be able to stay connected, to have information being shared and so on. So this app, my intention is that when it is fully completed, that I will be able to load it and the members of the congregation and so on will be able to put it to full use. So I start by having welcome to ALA Connect, and you will notice that I have a little marquee going across there. And this marquee is so that we can have events or messages and so on going out to the congregation. So when you load onto the app, you will notice here that it is telling us that there's a panel discussion on Sunday, which is this Sunday, tomorrow, the 5th of May at 6 p.m. And the topic is, does declining church attendance in the West mean a decline in power? So the idea is that when we have events or different messages that you want pushed over, you'll be able to use the marquee, and when people will be able to look on the phone, sometimes service may be canceled because of bad weather, etc. So the app will be able to allow us to connect and be able to get these messages coming across so that you don't have to wonder, but you'll be able to just check your phone and say, well, is something on tonight? I have used both the horizontal menu and the hamburger menu. The horizontal menu, if you look, you see Connect. The links are not all finished as yet, but under Connect, we will have things such as ministries and Christian ed and missions and senior citizens, and each of those I intend to let the church currently has a website at alabdos.org, and what will be happening is my intention is to link some of this app with the church's website so that the website will be able to, I want to have like a push event where if I click on ministries, I will not be regenerating information, but I will be pulling information which is already on the church website. So when I click on ministries, then it would be able, when I make the connection, it will be able to actually pull the content from the church website and display. On the media, we do have audio files and live stream and CDs and so on of sermons and so on. On Sundays, we do live stream on YouTube, etc. So the intention is that someone through the app will be able to click and then it should take them to that particular link. These, as I said, are not embedded as yet, still under progress, but this is the initial plan. Likewise for Bible studies, for the Bible, anything connected, and then on the contact where we will have church information and so on. The intention on the members info is to be able to have a database where when you key in your info, you'll be able to, it will be saved on the server, and that will avoid duplication of information. I will be using a hamburger menu. If you click on main menu, it will take you back to the main page. That link is working. And if you click on location, it will take you to the page where there's a map, and I'm supposed to be able to have it so that you can actually zoom in when I'm finished and you'll be able to zoom in and actually see the location of the church. On that screen with location, if you click page 1, which is at the bottom, it will carry you back to the main page. If you scroll down, you will notice that I have inserted some graphics on the main page so that you will be able to see what the church looks like. And the home button at the bottom takes you to the home page. The location button will also take you to the location page. And eventually the events button will take you to a page where you'll be able to see a list of events. As I said, this is just the beginning of something that I hope pretty soon would be able to actually go live. I was hoping that by the end of this course, I should have finished some more work on it. I tried the slideshow, but if you look at photo slideshows from in the hamburger menu, for some reason, the graphics and so on are not coming up. They're not showing. I noticed that I had an issue with them not showing on this web browser, but if I went on Edge or something like that, they showed. So that is a feature that I have to look at and figure out why things are not working. In fact, actually, this is pulling in the wrong slides anyway. And I don't have a link there to go back as yet because it's not in completion. So basically, this is just my start to ALA Connect. Thank you, and thank you for listening. Let's stop.